Greetings from great used auto sales in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2024 Chevrolet TRAX 2 RS model. Vehicle's in beautiful condition, really nice shape. This one's loaded up, really amazing shape. Beautiful wheels, sunroof, really nice condition. Gonna go ahead and give it a quick walk around now. Then we'll take it panel by panel, show you the condition of the vehicle. Super nice. All right, let's take a look at the front bumper. Front bumper's in beautiful shape. Super clean, looks amazing. Really nice condition. Take a look at the headlamps. Beautiful shape on the headlamps. Lower lights, also in beautiful shape. RS model has that beautiful grille. Very nice. Beautiful condition. The other headlamp, also in beautiful shape. Lower light. RS emblem. This is a 2 RS package. It's an upgraded one. Hood's in beautiful shape. Not a mark on it. Looks amazing. Brand new condition. Very nice shape. All right, take a look at the front fender on the driver's side. Beautiful shape. Clean throughout. Very nice condition. Taking a look at the driver door. Driver door's in beautiful shape. Clean throughout. Beautiful condition. Looks very nice. Beautiful condition. Okay, rear door on the driver's side. Beautiful shape. Clean throughout. Very nice condition. Quarter panel on the driver's side, beautiful shape, clean throughout, not a mark on it. Very nice condition. Rear hatch in the back looks beautiful. Outstanding shape back here. Take a look at the rear bumper. Beautiful shape. Really nice. All right, let's look at the quarter panel on the passenger side. Amazing condition, super clean. Looks beautiful. Rear door on the passenger side, beautiful condition, clean throughout, very nice shape. Front door on the passenger side, beautiful condition, clean throughout, very nice shape. Front fender on the passenger side, amazing condition, looks super clean. Let's take a look at the windshield. Windshield's in beautiful shape, very nice. Take a look at the roof. Roof's in beautiful condition. Super nice. Really amazing shape. All right, that concludes our walk around on this one. Stay tuned. We're going to take a look at the interior, then we'll take it for a little test drive. We'll be right back. Okay, we're taking a look at the driver door panel. Door panel's in amazing condition, looks brand new. Very nice. Armrest is in great shape. A little bit of storage there in the door panel. Driver seat's in amazing condition. RS package. Look at the emblems on there. Super nice. Leather, perforated with the red stitching. Looks beautiful. Take a look at the dashboard. Steering wheel looks amazing. Very nice condition. All right, let's take a look at the front passenger side door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition. Really amazing shape. Take a look here. Very nice all the way through. Super clean. Little stitching there. Looks super nice. Take a look at the front seat on the passenger side. Amazing condition. RS package. Take a look at the emblems there. Little stitching on there. That red piping looks super sharp. Really nice condition. Rubber floor mats all the way across. Front and rear. Dashboard, steering wheel in beautiful condition. Looks amazing. Very nice shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear door panel on the driver's side. Door panel's in beautiful condition. Really amazing shape. Armrest is in beautiful condition. Take a look at the rear seats. Beautiful shape. RS package. Look at the little perforated on the seats with the red stitching. Super nice. Very nice condition. All right, full set of floor mats, rubber floor mats all the way around, front and rear. Very nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear passenger door panel. Beautiful condition, clean throughout, amazing shape. Let's take a look at the rear seats. Beautiful condition. Take a look at the stitching there. Red little line for the RS. Full set of floor mats, rubber floor mats. Beautiful condition. Really amazing condition all the way through. Very nice. Okay, we're all set to go ahead and start this baby up. Okay, let's take a look at the key fob. Lock unlock, remote start, and panic. I'm going to set the key down right here. This one has a push button start right there. We're going to press the brake, push the button to start it. Fantastic. Look at that. Super nice. All right, let's take a look at the cluster here. Super nice. This one has 16,125 miles. It's got the lane alert there on top here. Fuel, miles till empty. Shows you the distance to the other vehicle in front. Temperature, really nice display for the RPMs. Look at that, accelerate a little bit there. RPMs in the middle. So nice. All right, let's take a look at some of the other features on this one. So on the steering wheel here, we have the cruise control. This is for the gap here. You can adjust the gap in the front. That's for the safety feature for it to brake. Then we're looking at the heated steering wheel. Super nice. There's the controls for controlling up there with the phone, speak commands to hang up the phone. So this is pretty much just, let's go ahead here and look. There you go. So you got a phone connected, it will go there. Music. You go through the different bands or whatever you want to put it on. Super nice. Steering wheel's leather wrapped. Looks amazing. Take a look. Really nice condition. Sporty look. Very nice. It's got perforated here, and this is just regular here. On the bottom, it's finished with this. Looks amazing. Super sporty. Okay. Power locks. Power windows, power mirrors, automatic lights. Controls for the turning signals. Front and rear wipers. Automatic transmission. Parking brakes right here. The lane assist buttons there. There's the automatic off for the engine. So when you have this activated, the vehicle won't turn off at the light. When this is off, then what happens is when you're at the light, to conserve fuel, the engine will cut off, but everything else will still function. When you let go the brake pedal, the engine will start right up again. So this is for the lane alert. Super nice. Climate control AC for one zone right here. You can set the temperature here, and this is the fan controller. Super nice. Heated seats on both sides in the front here. Super nice. Look at that. A charging pad is right here. 12 volt USBs. Super nice. Dashboard steering wheel looks amazing. It looks brand new. Really amazing condition. Very nice. Up above here we have the controls for the sunroof. Check out the visors. Nice shape on them both. Look at that. Beautiful condition. OnStar buttons up here. Control for the lights. Super nice. Let's go ahead and check out the roof. Opens up perfect. Back again. Really amazing condition. This is to pop it up in case you just want to let it cool. The other one's for bringing it forward. And then the shade, of course, is manual, like in all vehicles. All right. Dashboard steering wheel in beautiful shape. Look at that. Looks brand new. Really amazing condition. Let's take a look at the information center here. So right now we're on home right there. Wi-Fi hotspot. Climate. It's a nice screen. Look at that. Settings. Let's see some of the settings that are available. Okay, system settings, vehicle settings, teen driver, the collision detection. Let's see what kind of features we have. Automatic braking, front pedestrian braking, adaptive cruise, lane change alert, and rear cross traffic. So at least you know what kind of features you have on that. The apps, you got your audio, your phone, your OnStar. Super nice. That's pretty much about it. And this one has Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, so you can connect your phone. You could actually work right off your phone for the music and all that stuff. Super nice. Let's take a quick look at the liner. Beautiful condition all the way through. Looks amazing. Very nice. It was in really nice shape. All right, that pretty much concludes our view here inside. We're gonna go ahead and take it for a test drive in a moment. We'll be right back. Okay, we're all set. Take it for a test drive. Here we go. Really nice drive. Feels really smooth. Okay, coming up on the light here. Super nice. Okay, let's continue our little drive here. Light just changed. Drives super nice. So smooth. Really nice ride. Okay, next thing we're going to do is we're going to check out the backup camera and then that complete our test drive. There we go. There you go. Look at that. Amazing. Now this one's great because when you turn the steering wheel, it actually directs those little lines, letting you know which way you're going to roll back, which is super nice. That's it. All right. That concludes our test drive. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the tires, engine compartment, and cargo area in the back. We'll be right back. Okay, we're taking a look at the cargo area in the back. Looks beautiful, very nice condition, clean throughout, very nice shape. Down below, spare tire under that. It's got all the tools and the jack, very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the engine compartment. Engine compartment is clean and in beautiful condition. Look at that, very nice shape, beautiful condition, all original. Look at that, looks amazing, very nice. Bottom of the hood looks amazing. Beautiful condition all the way through. Take a look there. Really amazing shape. All right, we'll take a look at the front tire. Front tire on the driver's side looks brand new. Look at that tire tread on there. Amazing condition. Continental tire. Beautiful shape. Look at that rim. Beautiful condition all the way through. Not a mark on it. Very nice. Front driver's side tire and rim. Amazing condition. Okay, we'll take a look at the rear tire on the driver's side. Tire's in amazing condition, super clean. Rim is clean and in outstanding shape. Very nice condition. Does have a small little scuff right there. Besides, that's in beautiful condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire. Rear tire on the passenger side, beautiful condition. Beautiful shape. Rim is clean and in great shape. Does have a couple little scuffs here on the edge. Besides, that's in nice condition. Looks good. Another mark over here on this side here also. Besides, that's in beautiful shape. Okay, well that's going to conclude our video for this 2024 Chevrolet TRAX 2RS model. Vehicle's in beautiful condition inside and out, really outstanding shape. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information. GreatUsedAutoSales.com. Thanks for watching.